It's a pity. After discussion, nearly the whole wooden construction has to be gone, so I'm sad because we love the old look of the wooden construction. I've spoken with a man from the roof and we decided to remove all the old rafters of the wooden roof, because they are all bent and rotten all over. So I will put it in this video so you can see what I'm talking about. Everything is gone except this, what you see. I don't know the name of it, but it's nice. We put already new beams in on the side of the wall, and I will show you what is the problem of this building, or not a problem, but it's because it is a really old building. So I will climb up. I will climb up, and be careful because this really so I hope you can see it here. I'm standing on the new beam, so you can see, I hope you can see that there down below is the beam straight and the wall is bending out. So I will make a close-up. So you can see here the beam is hanging outside the wall, and there on the other side, I hope you can see it, not really good, but on the other side there is the beam on the wall. So you can see the building, the wall is totally bending outside because the beams is straight to the other side, square and water level. So that's the case of this old building, but of course it is not straight everywhere because this is an old building. This was the video of continuing with the construction of the old roof. I hope you liked the video about the reconstruction, and so you can see every day is different and sometimes there are big changes. So the rafters are gone. In the beginning we thought we can keep them, but not. They are rotten all over and bent, so it's a pity, but we need a new roof. Next video is about continuing. I don't make any promises anymore what we will do, like roof tiling or battens or rafters. We will see what we can do, and if it is a nice day. Today it was a really nice day, but for now I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and put a thumbs up, and yeah, see you next video. Bye bye.